Bonjour et bienvenue. Today we are going to start with a new topic and that is les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. The meaning of les pronoms sujets is the subject pronouns. Okay? So what is the meaning of pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronom est un mot qui prend la place de nom. So let's start with the English pronouns first. Let's see the English pronouns that are I, you, he, she. These are the singulier. What is the meaning of singulier? This means singular. These are the singular pronouns. Let's see the plural one. We, you, they. So here I wrote 2 times they. This we will do when we'll do the French pronouns. So these are the plural one. Plural pronouns. So let's start with the French pronouns now. I. I means je in French. You means tu. He means il. I-L, il. She means L. E-double-L-E. L. Okay? This is he, il, she, elle, you, tu, I, je. So these all are singulier pronouns. Okay? So let's see the plural one now. We is nous. You is vous. They is il. Again they is elle. As I told you, they 2 times because in French everything is masculine and feminine. So here this is the reason I wrote 2 times they. Okay. So this is for masculine plural. This is for feminine plural. Okay. So let's see the difference between tu and vous. Why I said that see the difference between tu and vous is because this is also you and this is also you. But as you know, as I told you earlier, that this tu is used for singulier and this is used for plural. But here, this tu is only used for singulier in formal way. If I want to address any elder person, you, sir, you, then I'll use vous over there. So, vous can be singular, singulier or plural, both. Okay? So, tu is informal way to say you and vous is a formal way to say you. Okay? And you, if I want to address a group of a person, whether it is elder or younger to me, then I will use vous over there. Okay? But if I want to address to my friend in an informal way, then I will use tu over there. Okay? But if I want to address any elder person from me, then I will use vous over there. Okay? So this is the difference between tu and vous. Let's see the difference between il and elle now. Il. Il is used for masculine, singular and il. See the pronunciation? Il. Both are il. Okay? But the uses are different. ILS is used for masculine again, but in a plural form. Okay? Now see the difference between L. If you can see the pronunciation L, but this L is used for feminine, singulier and this is plurial feminine. Okay, got it? So this is L, L, il, il. The pronunciation is same, but the uses are different. So let's just revise this once again. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. And as I told you earlier, this is I, you, he, she, we, you. This is for singular and plural both, but in a formal way. Okay, singular in a formal way, plural in both both formal and informal. Okay, and this is il, masculine plural, elle, feminine plural. So these are our pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. So there are 8 pronouns in French. Okay. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot.